Hey everyone, this is Andy with Patterson Adjuster Training. If you're new to Xactimate or just getting started as a property adjuster, this video is for you. Today I'm sharing 5 essential Xactimate tips that's going to save you time, improve your accuracy, and help you write better estimates. So let's jump right in. Tip 1. Master the shortcuts. Learning Xactimate keyboard shortcuts can significantly speed up your workflow. For example, did you know Control M allows you to quickly create a macro? Or if you're in Sketch, F allows you to create a roof. Or like using your brackets to flip your doors around. Tip 2, you have to create and use your macros. Macros are essentially a saved list of items within Xactimate that you can use over and over again. You don't have to keep adding line items individually. So basically, instead of adding line items manually every time, just apply a macro and you're good to go. Now before we continue, if you want to take your adjuster training to the next level, then you need to check out my in-person training at Adjuster House. This is a pretty cool opportunity to get real hands-on experience at a real house with real damage. At Adjuster House, you're going to learn how to scope damage accurately. You're going to know how to write estimates in Xactimate, exactly what you need to build confidence and skills in the field. There's only 5 spots per class, so make sure you check out the link in the description below for more details. But again, this is only for adjusters who want to be awesome. Tip 3. Use your sketch tools effectively. Xactimate Sketch can be a little intimidating, but start simple. Practice drawing basic rooms, adding walls. Once you get comfortable with the basic tools, then move on to like the vertex tool, adding blocks, and learning how the behaviors can help you. Tip 4. Double check before submitting. Before you send an estimate through, make sure you check it for accuracy. Duh. So you want to go in there and check your line codes to make sure you got everything. Make sure that you didn't leave something off. Make sure your estimate reflects the work that's being done. One of the easiest things to do is look at your estimate, look for large numbers or zeros or blanks. If all adjusters did this one tip, then that would cut down on a lot of estimates being kicked back. Tip 5. Practice. Nothing beats hands-on experience. The more estimates you write, the more confident you're going to become with Xactimate. So set aside some time each week to practice and improve your skills. And there you go. 5 tips to help you get the most out of Xactimate as an adjuster. Now if you found this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more practical training and tutorials. And if you have any questions or tips of your own, drop them in the comments below, and I will see you in the next video.